So hey guys, as you can see in the video, I'll start unboxing the Royal Kludge RK61 60% mechanical keyboard. So I got my keyboard from 𝙤𝙗 in Shopee for around 1,699 pesos. Coming from the original price of 2,427, that's a steal already. And I used a free shipping voucher, so I saved a lot of money on this one. 𝙤𝙗 offers RK61 in two colors, white and black. They also offer it with an RGB backlight and the one with the white backlight. I chose the variation with the white backlight because I think it is aesthetically pleasing. I also got it in the brown switch because as a first timer in the mechanical keyboard world, I took into consideration the good reviews made by mechanical keyboard users with brown switches. They gave good reviews as it was a middle ground for typing and gaming purposes. So I think I made the right choice in buying this RK61 with brown switches. As you can see in the video, I'm still removing the bubble wrap and satisfyingly removing this tape. So my Royal Kludge RK61 mechanical keyboard box did not show any sign of damage thanks to the generous amount of bubble wrap that the seller put in my package. After that little ASMR attempt, we'll now start unboxing the RK61 mechanical keyboard by removing the plastic around it. As you can see in the box, it has the logo of Royal Kludge on both sides. On the front side, you have the website of the Royal Kludge. On the back, we have two QR codes and a photo of the keyboard. On the other side, we have the Royal Kludge code and other details. Now watch me struggle in opening this box. Now for the moment of truth. We have here, of course, the Royal Kludge RK61 mechanical keyboard that I've been eyeing for the longest time now. Opening this up, we have the manual of the keyboard, but it's in the Chinese language. So let's flip through the manual together. Despite not understanding the instructions in the Chinese language. So together with the keyboard is another paper that says something in the Chinese language, but let's disregard that because we cannot understand that. Let's put the keyboard aside first to check the other inclusions in the box. So the package includes the Type-C cable and a dongle for wireless connection, and the keycap puller. Nice. The inclusions are complete as advertised, so thanks, seller. Let's fix the box and other items first so we can focus on the keyboard later. Now, removing the plastic cover of the keyboard, you can now see the beauty of Royal Kludge RK61 mechanical keyboard. On the front right side, we can see the logo of Royal Kludge, and on the back side, we can see the Type-C charging port. On the bottom, we can see the switch for Bluetooth and wireless connection, and our off and on switch. Aside from the seal of authenticity, we also have rubber stoppers on the bottom so that it will not be all over the place when you use the keyboard. The RK61 keyboard also has an 8-degree inclination for an ergonomic experience. Now let's end this video with a typing ASMR.